Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Grand Cherokee in neutral. This easy method is perfect for situations like towing or when your battery is dead. First, make sure your vehicle is completely stopped and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Then, turn your ignition to the ACK or run position, but do not start the engine. If your battery is dead, don't worry, this method still works. Now, let's find the shift interlock release. Look for a small access cover on your center console, typically very close to the gear shifter. Gently use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to carefully pry open this cover. It should pop off quite easily. Once the cover is removed, you will see a small lever or button underneath. This is the crucial shift interlock release mechanism. With the access cover off, you're ready to shift. Press and hold down that small shift interlock release lever or button firmly. Keep it pressed. While you are still holding the release, carefully move your gear shifter from the park position all the way into neutral. Once the shifter is securely in neutral, you can then release the interlock button. Your Jeep is now in neutral. Remember, safety is always paramount. Always ensure your parking brake is firmly engaged before attempting to put your vehicle into neutral, especially on any incline. Never leave your Jeep unattended when it is in neutral, as it can roll freely. This method is primarily intended for specific situations like towing, moving a dead vehicle, or other emergencies. Use it wisely and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.